Okay, so you said that the suffix S can make the S sound at the end of these words. But guess what? There's another sound that suffix S can make. So repeat after me. Dogs.
Dogs.
Pads.
Pads.
What sound do you hear at the end of those?
Z.
Can you make that sound?
Z.
Okay, so suffix S can make the S sound or the Z sound. So we have to figure out when it's going to make which sound. Let's look at the first set of words. What's the last sound in these two base words?
T. P.
Okay, and when we say those sounds, are they voiced or unvoiced? P, t.
Unvoiced.
Unvoiced. It's just air. And when we look at these two words and cover up the suffix, what's the last sound in these two base words?
G and D.
And are those voiced? Do you feel your vocal cords vibrating?
G.
G,
Yes.
D. So those are voiced. So when it's voiced, the suffix says
Z.
the Z sound. And when it's unvoiced, the suffix says
S. S.
the S sound. So we're going to write that in our student notebook. Okay. When the last sound or the first sound in the base word?
Last.
The last sound in the base word is unvoiced, so just air. The suffix says what? So here it's unvoiced. What is the suffix S saying?
S.
S. Okay, the suffix S says S. Now, when the first or last?
Last.
Last sound of the base word is voiced, the suffix S says, what does it say here?
Z.
Z. Okay, and we're going to give an example. So up here by the S, I want you to write the example cats. So
Cats.
right above here, write cats. And right here above where it says Z, we're going to write dogs. Very good.